Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to create adapter service in Webmethods. First of all, you log in into your IS admins. In IS admins, you have a adapter. In adapter, you have a Webmethod adapter for GDPC. Click on that. This is my adapter connection name. Here you have a view option. Click on that view option. Here is database name. Webmethods is okay. I am in my SQL, my database. I have a Webmethods folder. Whatever I given in database name, I created a folder Webmethods. In Webmethods, I created tables. Okay. Create table, insert ID varchar 20 name varchar 20. Okay, my table is created. I want to know check my table is created or not. Select asterisk from insert. This is my table. Okay, open. Now I am opening my designer. This designer and call my adapter service by using the insert notification insert adapter. Here, this is my folder. YT in new. Click on right click on the YT new. In new, you have adapter service option. Click on that adapter service. There is adapter service name. My adapter service is now is insert. Next, this is my adapter type. With adapter for GDPC. This is my adapter connection alias name. Okay. My template is insert SQL. Okay. This is my insert adapter. Here is table. Click on the table tab. Here is three dots. Click on the three dots. My web methods is folder. What I created in my MySQL database. Okay. In web it is I created an insert. There. So first I refreshes my designer. Okay, I refresh. Now click the web methods is insert one. Okay, my table is selected from here. Okay, click on the insert tab. Select the all columns what you inserted in the database. Okay, I created two columns, two fields, ID and name. Okay, result field is result type. Result adapter settings input output. Okay, save. Run this adapter service. Right click and run service. This ID is one. Name is Vasu. Okay, yeah. My adapter input is one. Name is Vasu. Result is one. Okay, now I'm going to check into my database. Data insert into the table or not. Okay, data is inserted into my table. One ID is one. Name is Vasu. Okay, and this is insert insert adapter service in software is designer.